Alright, so another very good method for getting model evaluation metrics is ROC curve, and it is really very useful in case of unbalanced dataset. In a balanced dataset, we calculate the accuracy, precision and the recall, which is really very good. But if we talk about the unbalanced dataset, then in that case, accuracy, precision and the recall doesn't reflect the true nature of model evaluation metrics. An ROC curve is known as receiver operating characteristics, and it is a graph showing the performance of classification model at all classification thresholds. This curve, ROC curve, is plotted with these two parameters, true positive rate and false positive rate. True positive rate is synonyms for recall, and is therefore it is defined as TPR is equal to TP divided by TP plus Fn, and false positive rate is defined as follows: FVR is equal to the Fp divided by Fp plus Tn. So here we have ROC curve, and this is the true positive rate and this is the false positive rate, and these rates are plotted at various thresholds of the classification. And if we calculate the area under that curve, ROC curve, we get here AUC, that is the area under ROC curve. So this AUC measures the entire two-dimensional area underneath the entire ROC curve, and this AUC provides an aggregate measure of performance across all possible classification thresholds, and it is very excellent tool for the model evaluation for unbalanced dataset. AUC ranges its values from 0 to 1, and a model whose predictions are 100% wrong has AUC is equal to the 0, and the model whose prediction is 100% correct, that has the AUC area is equal to 1. AUC is desirable for the following two reasons. AUC is scale invariant. It measures how well predictions are ranked rather than their absolute values. AUC is classification threshold invariance. It measures the quality of models' predictions irrespective of what classification threshold we are actually choosing. So ultimately what happens, this ROC curve represents a better, the model evaluation metrics than using just simply accuracy and precision and the recall. So whenever you have unbalanced dataset, I would always recommend you to use their ROC AUC to find out their the goodness of fit. Perfect. So this is all about in this lesson. Thanks a lot for watching it. I'll see you next lesson.